If you are also tired of fakeouts or traps and don't know how to recognize them, I tested a strategy that tells you exactly where fakeouts are found and how to use it for ourselves. If you want to know, then stay tuned. It seems like it is going to make a big move, but in fact the price is going back and many people are getting caught. Add these to the chart quickly. EMA 9 and EMA 21, support and resistance, LuxAlgo, and volume. Identify these fakeouts and keep your profits. I am talking about volume. Bring these two for now. A fakeout occurs when there are sharp movements in the market or we have news of any kind. One of the most important rules, and perhaps the classic way to recognize fakes, are candles that must form in an area with wind to ensure that the price is going to continue, but it doesn't. Or it happens, but it turns back. What do I want now? The golden tip is, always look for confirmation. That is, enter the trade only when the indicators and trading volume confirm it. Now, how about combining these EMAs with fake out? When the price reaches the resistance level and EMA 9 is still above EMA 21, but the resistance break occurs without sufficient volume, the probability of fake out is very high. Trading volume is the strongest confirmation. High volume break implies real trend. Low volume break implies probability of fake out. So always check the volume before entering. This way you can prevent sudden losses. Let me tell you with a short example and buying and selling to quickly recognize fakes. I do this on gold because it moves very quickly. It can be good. It doesn't matter what symbol you are with. Even tell me in the comments. I will give you a little tip about each symbol. Accurate entry and exit. How to trade fake out. Trap and when to enter or exit. This is very important because most traders make mistakes exactly here. First, we need to identify the support and resistance levels with the Support and Resistance LuxAlgo tool. These levels are key points where the probability of fake out is high. When the price approaches these levels, do not rush. Wait and check the conditions. Now look at EMA 9 and EMA 21. If EMA 9 is above EMA 21, then short-term uptrend. If EMA 9 is below EMA 21, then short-term downtrend. These EMAs help us to identify the market direction before entering. The next step is to check the volume. Here is where the fake out shows itself. If the price breaks through the resistance or support, but the volume was low, then the probability of a fake out is high. If the volume was high, then a real and reliable breakout. Entering a buy trade. Wait until the price breaks the resistance level with sufficient volume and EMA 9 is above EMA 21. Entering a buy trade is done exactly after the volume confirmation. The stop loss is placed just below the previous resistance level or below the fake out, entering a sell trade. When the price reaches the support level and is about to break through, but the volume was low, wait. If the real breakout is confirmed and EMA 9 is below EMA 21, entering a sell trade. The stop loss is placed above the previous support level or above the fake out. Important points. The price always moves towards market liquidity, but sometimes it becomes a bearish trend. At this moment, the price aims to stabilize to return to one side and then go to liquidation, so this could be a trap or fake that is supposed to go one way, but from the other side. The opposite of liquidity is removed. This section should pay attention to the trend. The price trend is expected to continue. The high time frame, such as 5 or 15 minutes, is also important. Confirmation requires patience. Volume helps in this. Volume shows the areas. When an area has low liquidity, the price tends to go down to the area with more liquidity. When the volume is removed, it goes to the lowest one to start the trend. Patience and confirmation are the keys to success. Don't rush, even if everyone thinks the market is broken. Note down the analysis of each fake out to increase your experience. This way, even when the price tries to deceive you, you can have safe entries and exits and prevent sudden losses. Even if we understand the trap and the elephant, we must take the risk. In a moment, all the cards can be turned over, so we keep the risk low. After confirming, we use trailing stops to escape a movement. This will protect us from unnecessary losses. Let's apply all the above points to a real example. Let's say we are looking at the EUR/USD chart. Our goal is to find a fake-out trap for a 10-minute scalping. Viewing support and resistance levels. With the Support and Resistance LuxAlgo tool, key resistance is identified at 1.1000 and support is identified at 1.0980. These are the points where the probability of a fake-out is high. Checking EMAs, EMA 9 above EMA 21 implies short-term bullish trend. This means that if the price breaks the resistance at 1.1500, there is a possibility of a continuation of the bullish trend, but we need to see confirmation from volume. Checking volume. The price approaches the resistance at 1.16500 and shows a break. Trading volume is low implies fake-out warning signal. If we enter a trade without checking volume, the probability of a loss is high. Making a decision to enter. We wait for the resistance break to be confirmed by high volume. When the volume increased and EMA 9 was still above EMA 21, enter a buy trade. The stop loss is placed just below the previous resistance, that is 1.1490. Example. Sell. Suppose after a short uptrend, the price reaches the support at 1.1490. EMA 9 is close to EMA 21, and the volume is low implies the probability of fake-out and price reversal. When the actual support break is confirmed with high volume and EMA 9 is below EMA 21, enter a sell trade. The stop loss is placed above the previous support level, that is 1.1480. Conclusion. By combining EMA 9/21, support and resistance, LuxAlgo and volume, we were able to identify fake-out and have a safe entry and exit. This example shows how patience, volume confirmation, and EMA checking can prevent sudden losses and increase your scalping profits. Last tip, always write down your real experiences so that you can easily identify the next fake-out patterns. Pro tips on fake-out trap. It's time to focus on risk management and professional techniques to prevent losses. These tips will help you limit your losses even if the market moves against your expectations. Stop loss management. Always place your stop loss just below the previous resistance level for buying and above the support level for selling. Advanced technique. Using a small trailing stop that follows the price movement will help you protect profits and reduce potential losses. Time and time frame management. Scalping means trading quickly, but don't rush. Always check the short time frame, 1 minute or 5 minutes, before entering to identify the real fake out. Tip. Checking higher time frames also helps you understand the main trend direction better and avoid making wrong entries. Volume and trade size. Even when the signal is confirmed, adjust the trade size according to the risk to reward. Pro tip. Risk less than 2% of your total capital on a scalping trade. Also, advanced techniques like trailing stop, multi-timeframe analysis, and confirmation candles help us to protect profits and reduce risk. Professional tips and risk management are also key. Always manage your stop loss and trade volume. Use the right time frame and be patient when entering trades. Record and review every trade and fake out to improve your market experience and analysis. The bottom line, by following this combination of tools and tips, you can identify fake outs and make sure to scalp, prevent sudden losses, and increase your profits. Now it's your turn. Try these techniques and see how you're different from other traders. Make sure to follow the channel so you don't miss any scalping opportunities. Watch the video above, which is my live trading, and copy it.